Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're organizing.
That's good. That's really good.
Thank you.
You're like a natural, like Clutterbug Jr.
Hey and welcome back. I'm so excited about today's video. I partnered with the Container Store to do a surprise closet makeover, and I'm going to share with you my top tips for organizing a closet so it stays tidy all the time. I'm going to share with you the best closet organizing system and show you that if your closet's messy, it's not your fault. You're just not using a system that's made for you. Here's some of the things that are not working in this closet. Obviously, solid containers are a big no. I didn't even label them. I'm sorry. But also, you don't have a rod. So this is actually just a shelf and we're putting the hangers on so you can't slide. So everything's always falling off. It's a disaster. And I also see that this laundry that I asked you to put away 1,700 times, you just kicked and hid. So we can't give you any hiding spots. We need an open visual closet. I still want you to be able to toss things quickly, but see everything you have. Are you excited? You're not excited. She doesn't want to do this part, so we're going to take everything out. As we take things out, I want you to kind of ask yourself, do you wear it? Do you like it? Look it, this isn't working. Does it fit you? And if not, we're going to put it in a pile for donate. You got this? You ready? You want a high five or something? Yeah. Let's get to the hidden stuff. Let's go deep. Your stuffies?
Obviously.
Obviously. Okay. No. Beige? Yes, I want yellow. What color is that? No.
Sure.
That's mine!
That's not.
Everywhere for that! That is totally my turtleneck!
This is my black turtleneck.
Mm-hmm.
From George. It's so cute.
It is so cute. On
That's why
me.
it's mine.
Don't mix
Oh
it up.
my goodness, I have another one of these. Seeing that we just bought 5.
Here's the thing. If Abby can't see it, it's invisible and she forgets she owns it. And what you've been doing...
This is the shirt I was looking for. Isn't it cute?
And this is not just Abby. This is so many kids. Visual. You need to have visual storage or they forget that they own it. Plus, this is now a spot for her to shove and hide underpants that she forgets about and everything else. So we need to have just...
Probably where they all went.
That's probably all they went.
Look at this one.
Hidden.
This looks cute.
Okay, good job. One bin left and we're through your clothes. Look how fast this is. Okay, jean shorts.
Oh, I have shorts?
More shorts.
Where were you? Like, I have not wore one pair of shorts this whole summer.
So listen.
If you're talking about my stuffies,
Listen.
you're getting out.
Listen.
I'm keeping every one of them.
Listen, Muffin.
Don't be sad.
Shh, listen. Toy Story ruins children. Okay, we have a memory bin downstairs, but it's almost full. Don't do that eye twitch. We can keep as many that fit into this bin.
This one can't fit into that bin.
But this one
This
you
one's
actually
big.
sleep with, so you can
No, I
keep...
don't. I sleep with it sometimes.
So the ones you sleep with, we won't count those. Oh, you want to keep this? I am terrifying. Okay, what about this bag? Do you use this bag?
There's stuff in it.
What is just... Could it be...
Let's just zip that up.
What?
Just put it in, zip it up. Zip it up.
Just pretend we never saw
No,
it.
no.
We didn't look in there.
Because no one knocks.
We have
Driven.
trashed your room. So we've taken everything out and made a huge mess, and it is overwhelming. This is what everybody always says. When you're organizing, you get halfway into what I call the messy middle, and it can feel like you've just made it worse. This is part of the process. We are going to deal with all of this stuff and then transform this closet. Now that the closet's empty, it's time to take out the old system, mud all the holes, and Joe's putting on a quick coat of paint so we have a fresh start for a new closet. The Container Store has alpha design specialists to help you design the closet, and you don't need to hire somebody. This is fast and simple to install. On the bottom of this closet, to take advantage of all the space, we're going to put a little drawer system so it acts as a dresser right here in her closet. But dressers don't usually work for kids, especially visual kids like Abby, so I love that this is mesh. It's see-through. She doesn't have to hang everything. She can still toss her clothes away, but there's no little hidden spots underneath for her to hide the clothes. I'm gonna do open shelving above these drawers, and I got these amazing slotted bins so she can still just toss her clothes away but see everything inside. So I'm just gonna measure and make sure that these can slide in and then attach all of my shelving at the right height. Now that all the drawers and shelving are in, we're gonna add all of the rods. We're gonna have 4 rods total, so she has a ton of hanging space, and it's really taking advantage of that wasted space here in the sides by giving all the storage in the middle too. I'm excited about this. Now that the closet system is installed, it's time to add all of the clothing and fill it up. I use my Cricut Joy to make some labels to make these bins even more visual so she knows where everything is and she's not gonna forget she owns shorts anymore. So her closet is done. It looks so good, but even better than that, it's functional. Her old closet before wasn't working at all. We struggled for years to keep it tidy and organized because, first of all, she didn't have rods. So everything was really hard to put away and find the clothing that she wanted. Also, everything was hidden. She had solid containers, and as a visual organizer, she completely forgot what was inside. And lastly, there was just too many spots to hide things, too much wasted space where she could shove garbage and laundry hampers filled with clothes. Now every square inch is utilized with easy, simple, visual storage so she can see everything that she has and put it away fast. And that's exactly what she needs as a butterfly organizer. Now I'm gonna surprise her with her new closet. Abby! It's done!
That's so cute.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're feeling inspired to make over your closet today, because if you're having trouble keeping your closet tidy, it's not you, it's the system. You just have to find a system that works for your organizing style. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. You're just looking for places to stick the laundry hamper.
I couldn't find something. There's no room.
You just shove it in the bin. You're like,
Not the laundry hamper. Where am I supposed to put it?
you could take the clothes out of the laundry hamper. It's a crazy thing, and put it away.
It's sliding.
Right?
I got the best closet in the house.
And look, this is something you didn't know you had. Shorts.
What it is? Mine's prettier than yours.
That is mine.
You need an alpha.
Teenagers. So you like it. That's all that
Yeah,
matters,
it's
right?
pretty.
So peace.
Bye.
Thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I love my neighbors. I have one neighbor and they're in their 90s, Danny and Tilda. And I see Danny, he's getting weeds out of his grass with a knife. He's the sweetest, most hardest working 90-year-old man, but he is 90 and I've frightened him many times. You know, I went in the hot tub naked once and then I looked and I'm in there with the lights on and I look and he's waving at me through the window. Yep. And I was like, I'm gonna have to die in this hot tub now. I'm gonna stay here forever. I don't know if he saw things, but he's seen me in my tattered robe. He's seen me in the backyard with just things, okay? But yesterday, I almost killed the man. I was taking out the trash. And I had given myself a spa day earlier and I was just having a frantic day. So I'm taking out the trash. It's dusk, so it's kind of dark. I come around my garage door with a bunch of garbage bags. He's coming around the other side with his garbage bags. He screams, you guys. He screams an old man scream like a horror show. I had forgot that I had a green mud mask on. I had caked my face in this thick green horrible mud mask, and we came like within 2 feet of each other around, and he was like, oh, but he didn't die. It's all right. I was like, Danny, it's just me. I have a mud mask on. I forgot about it. I'm so sorry. So now I'm embarrassed again for the 50 millionth time, which is why I want to move to the country so I never have to have neighbors again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.